And for the meantime, shift our focus because after Finance Minister assured of regulatory framework, all eyes will be on Adani stocks bounce back. And as per the updates that we are getting in, the Adani Group has sent out positive message, and Adani Group stocks began recovery on Friday as well. We need to remember, and now it is to be seen that when, as for the stock that have already opened, the Adani Enterprises stock opens down by 7%, and other group stocks are in red too as of now as we cover the opening of the market. Let me bring in Soumit Sarkar on the broadcast for more on this. Mr. Sarkar, if you can help us in explaining when it comes to the opening of the market at Monday morning, because as per the updates, Adani Enterprises stock has opened down 7%.
Well, if you see, all the 10 listed Adani Group companies are trading mostly in red. It's just Adani Ports that is marginally in positive, around 1% of gains, but all the other stocks are trading in red, be it Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, Adani Total, Adani Transmission. Specifically for Adani Enterprises, if you see, the stock is down around 5% in trade, despite the positive news that you were talking about. And if you see, because of the fall that we have been seeing in Adani Group stocks, their total market value from 20 lakh crore in January month, it has now come down to around 10 lakh crore. In the past 1 month, the 7 Adani Group stocks, the major ones, have fallen in the range of around 30 to 60%, while ACC1 stock that has declined around 20% in the last 1 month. And if you see so far, Nifty 50 also, to be clear, is marginally in negative, 0.6% in rate. All right.
But also in the next coming days, what kind of movement in the market can we expect when it comes to the stocks of the Adani Group? If you can help us explaining the kind of trends that are expecting.
Well, for general market, if you see, there are not many positive sentiments out there because there are some technical pressures. The valuations are expensive, because of which the overall markets are trading under pressure. So this could lead to some pressure in Adani Group stocks also, but it remains to be seen how they react in trade, given the fact that their earnings are also expected to be out anytime soon now, in the next 1 week.
And also there were reports yesterday, for example, the quant mutual funds exiting Adani Group stocks as per the sources. That was a report that came in yesterday also. Will these kind of developments affect the group stocks severely, or will it have any kind of impact?
And if there is some selling pressure coming in from mutual funds going ahead also, there could be pressure on the Adani Group stocks.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Sarkar, for joining in and sharing all those updates. So the latest that we are tracking is that the Adani Enterprises stock has opened down 7% along with other groups stocks in red too. But now it is to be seen that how the trends are going to look like, even as we track all the developments when it comes to the Adani Group. But remember, as far as the Finance Ministry is concerned, they have given out a clear and cut out message that the situation is not going to impact the financial situation of India, even as the opposition has raised their voices and have raised several questions as to why no panel is being formed to investigate this entire matter. Because remember, today when the parliament proceedings are going to begin, we are expecting fireworks today as well, because in the previous proceedings as well, we saw an uproar in the parliament which was being raised by the opposition, wherein they are firm on the demand. In fact, today the Congress is also expected to protest outside the LIC buildings in the national capital as well, wherein they are expected to hold a march from Southern, wherein they are of course going to raise several questions, wherein they have said that on a daily basis they are going to put forward 3 big questions to the Prime Minister as to why he is silent over this entire matter.